Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 28th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So gold did end up continuing up over the last couple of days. I've been saying if it continues to make higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, then there's nothing to do but look for longs every single chance you get. Now we took out the high of wave A. So if this is a wave C, then we definitely want to pay attention to our Fibonacci extension levels, which is the Fibonacci extension of this first wave projected out the bottom of this bottom wave. If it's an ABC, which it looks like it is, then the 78% could be a target. The 100% could be a target also. If it's a wave 3, which it definitely could because the weekly, monthly, and daily trends are all up, it may actually just blow past all these Fib levels and just keep on going up. So, as I said earlier, as long as it continues this series of high low that we're seeing, which so far it definitely has, this is probably a wave one, wave two, and then higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. There was no reason to do anything but look for longs in an uptrend, especially if this really is a wave three, which it looks like it very likely is. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, link down here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.